What's up, speak my mind? What's up, my lovely peeps? All you people across the diaspora, what's up? It's a bright, sunny Monday morning, you know. Good look of the new week. Wish all you people who's going out to work, all who is self-employed, you know, I wish you all the best, you know, and hope you have a prosperous week, you know, and beyond. And may your store basket never empty, you know. So all of my clean heart people, them speak my mind entertainment people, just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please just press that thumbs up to give the video algorithm so YouTube can share the video some more. And remember to watch the ads. And please remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the backup channel, which the backup channel is Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel, I'm asking you please if you can just go over there and give me a subscription, and please to help the channel to grow, because that channel, you know, Sunday evening dinner, you can sit down in your living room, your dining room, you know, and have something for watch, because that's where I want to get that channel, you know. So panala a Friday, a Saturday evening, early Sunday morning, you know, I release a nice little video, whether one drama or one adventure or something, you know, where you can sit down in the living room and relax and watch and feel good. So please, me I beg on my people, just go over there and subscribe to the channel. Life is a Mission TV. That's the backup channel, family oriented channel, cook vlog, you name it, general reasoning, you know, and the adventure to come. Anyway, people, this morning video is all about Marcia Campbell. And these people just behave as if, you know, they are the important one when they are not. Because the person who they are saying is not important, is not recognized, is not a big deal. Nobody don't know them but in a Facebook. Nobody don't know them but in a social media. To show you how dumb they are. Social media is a worldwide net. And for someone to have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, they must be known. You understand? For such a short space of time. So much 100,000 followers on Facebook, they must be known. So much 100,000 followers on Instagram, they must be known. I don't know much about TikTok because I'm not a fan of TikTok. So when them come and say them are going them be known, come on, think again. That you will be known in your community, which consists of probably 10,000 people. That don't make you be known more than a person who is on social media with 100,000 followers. You understand what I say to you? Because that's a worldwide thing. Your community is just a simple community. You step on the border of your community, nobody might don't know you. So think about what you say, Marcia. And the video is all about these people continue to be like a them are the person. When a them get up every day by the one woman name. All when 20 different vloggers out there and them in an argument, once the vlogger or the blogger or the YouTuber, because I classify myself as YouTuber, not vlogger and blogger. Because that name to me sound like a whole mix up something. I mean, I like that something there. And fake news and all them something there and false news. Comes out and go at them. Them put this lady into the equation. because the person might associate with that lady. If the person even comes up and I call that lady and I compare, them don't go at the person, you know. We have to do the comparison, you know. Them go at this lady. Because why? This lady is them problem. Why me no know? We all know Dr. Love and Marcia have them little thing going. But every time Dr. Love comes out and talk, you should know Dr. Love always say him love Dana and him love Dana and him love Dana and him love nobody wants to say. It's like whenever time Dr. Love comes out and talk, it hit a bell in a Marcia head. So, oh, I'm friend, man, that's why I beat me down so much. But I think he and Dr. Love might be going at it before Dr. Love even meet Dana. So why you go want to blame Dana? If Dr. Love comes out on the platform and go at you, you and him always go at it. You understand? You and him have no difference on social media. Dr. Love have own big man. Dr. Love have own platform holder. Dr. Love supposed to in a social media long before even Dana recognize. So Dana can't make Dr. Love say what him say, do what him do or nothing at all. She can't make none of it. Do what we do or say what we say. We do it off our own feelings and how we feel about what go on in the circles. Alright? Anyway, my people, I want to dissect one video with her. So, listener, because Dr. Love tell her, say some of them can't get no man and them can't this and she can't. She implicate 99 in the equation. For what reason, me don't know. So, I want to play this first part of the video. I want to listen to her. She finally must have one man in her bed where we can't see no face. All we can see is foot turn over pan foot. And she talk about, sit there, I have my man. How much of them can come show this? 99 won't come do that. And if you're so big and bold in a year, man, you don't have to hide him. If I look one glimpse of him face, I could have show. You're nice, good up, man. Look good, man, and way. Where before 5 o'clock, him have to come out of your place. You talk about a work, him gone. He have to go back home because his wife is probably a nurse. Or some nurse aide. We are reach home by 6, 7. So him have to come out of your house, Marcia, by 5:30. If you reach him yard. So when wifey come home, wifey see him. But you talk about work. You don't listen to me, people.
Wish man want me and wish man want me. I wear my phone there. All the chat here chat and I compare me. And I compare me to 99. You understand? And I talk about which man that want who if we go up on wall. And if we are talk about Pitney. Me never see her come out and show a man foot in a bed. Me and my man that right in a bed with foot over. See him and the my leg right there. So come and show me a picture like that now. Tell her to come show me a picture like that. So the man don't want me. Yes, come on. Come and tell us the last night to me about come show now. So come and show me a foot.
Me telling us the last night me I come show you. So you do this to come prove a point. What point this prove? This not prove no point. You have your good up man in your bed. You're supposed to can run a little selfie, a little video on your phone. Show the man face. But I know you're a man, Marcia. And that's why I have to come out of your house so early the morning that you could have ended up go on your phone. So early Sunday morning before you even come out of bed and go in a kitchen. We show them now no kitchen for going to come here. You claim to say when you're ready you're going to get up and go and drive and go and get some food. Big Sunday. But as you say, you can't do no cooking here now for show up on phone because your kitchen not stay good. You understand what I say to you? So I understand that. But 99 do you nothing here, sir? If the man even not compare, you not deal with him and leave 99 out of the equation, but you have to call her name. You title this video. If you don't talk about me, you don't get a paycheck at the month at the end of the month. But it's just the same. If you don't come out and talk about 99, it coming like you can't see a paycheck neither. Or you can't feel happy. Or you can't see no views. Because the people them love when they talk about 99, because them love. Because watch it now. Look on the video now. The video is 2 minutes. 2 hours away from 1 day. It have 2,300k views. And look on your likes. 83. What that tell you, say? We all agree you're not going to get a single like for every views. But if you do the maths here, so this is way below. You didn't have 150 likes out of 2,300k views. Come on, Marcia, man. Do better.
Because I have 3 foot. So when you not talk, say no man don't want me, I talk about a blood clot at man to this Sunday morning, yeah. You understand? So when you say no man don't want me, come tell her, say, and you and your other haters them for come.
At man, you can't show him face. And as I say, well, my people, man. Because if you have at man and a muggle with a year, man, and you're proud, you a big deal. You supposed to dictate to him. You can't be my man in my bed, you know. And me can't get one video of you and show them, you know. So me have my man in my bed, you know. You're supposed to show your man because you are the big deal. But probably him not tan good. Probably him not tannable. Probably him not lookable. Probably him not warrant a picture for sure because him have him people them out the way him have to go back to as me say by 5:30 because probably him wife or one nurse here, one nurse working in the medical field. So him have to run go back home, Marcia. So the man get up out of the bed, him left you so lonely in the bed that you have to take to your phone. Premeditated the night before of doing that video for come show up on phone for brag. But you still not reach nowhere with that video there because you should have able to show the tannable man in your bed. Him not tannable. Him not lookable. And no fear man. So him not warrant for come on phone because guess what? Him not want wife to see him. And people know.
So you tell me now. You tell me now. Me not afraid of nothing. Me not afraid of nothing. You're bright. You always want to come to your page, come put me down. Oh, my belly big and my belly this and my belly that and me have this and belly. You joke them is lame. Go find something to do. You're not ready.
But Dr. Love always have something to do. So what you say? Because I always see Dr. Love doing work and busy. Most of the time in Dr. Love upon him live, I drive go to work or I come from work or they are work or work. Depend him live, I entertain himself and him followers them at the same time. So what you say?
You're not ready. Go find something. You're not ready. Every day you come and talk about big belly. The whole of your followers them over there big belly too. For your followers them are some big fluffy girls too. Go talk about them. Why you are watch me? Why are you watching me? Me never come out of Facebook and tell everybody say me rich and poor. Because according to him, we come on Facebook and show off ourselves with the welfare.
You see? A Dr. Love talk to her, you know. Our belly big, this, that big, this share iron belly share this and that. Most of your followers them belly big and fit our followers them big and fluffy. Why AD have in the equation? I know AD talk to you. Continue to talk to Dr. Love. But every time you go at Dr. Love, you have to go at AD. For what reason, I don't know. I don't know. AD I talk to you.
Different. Me know some things when me can't do, she can't do it. Me know how me talk, she can't talk like me. Me know so she can't drive like me, she can't swim like me, she can't dance like me, and she can't jump like me, and she cannot run like me.
All of this she talk about, you know. It's things that she know. Because she know AD can't swim. So when you come and come talk about that. You understand? She know AD just start drive. So when you come talk about that, you drive long time. So we already, she knows AD might can't do that dance sitting there. So we never really see you at dance. No, we can't say you can't dance neither. But you come and tell the woman about things, talk things about the woman where we already know, you already know, school children in England already know. I remember now, I know AD talk to you. A Dr. Love. The woman comes out and talk about people who have them out this pitney and foreign and rare and a chat about fear pitney. You take it on your head like a you alone have pitney and foreign. You understand? Allegedly them say Tina Chin have one boy a foreign and she can't go buy one lunch and couldn't pay for lunch. She have a ball on the lunch to half price to share for him and her. When I cash, she said she can't go buy a lunch. When me expect she go buy 2 lunch, one for she and one for him. Where them claim to say, it's like I want out this boy. You understand? Remember Tina Chin in a phone pan AD. I can't Tina Chin pick the she attack. You understand? Me see the one down at Portland, she take on the argument also. You understand? And she come and she say fear pitting them come from this and fear pitting them at this and fear pitting them at that. You understand? Lorraine have pitney and foreign. How much people were down in the woman kin like leeches who have pitney and foreign. But you take up the argument and hold on upon it solely and surely. Some of them might take it up and let it go. Some want it for so much on the one stone. Like every time this woman throw her stone. This woman that come out like every 2, 3, 4 months when you not dip on her like rolling calf and she throw her stone now and again. And every time she throw her stone, it come like it lick down the whole of you. Yeah man, come like it lick down the whole of you.
You understand? I mean, no, so she can't read like me.
You can't read like your vocabulary so low. Because listening how you read, so listening how you talk. So all reading coming out. Just seeing the simple everyday word, no mean you can't read. And if a pronunciation you got to talk about, there's a lot of us can't pronounce word. Even the teacher sometimes we are teaching people them can't pronounce the word. And that's why from back then them always tell us to break it up in syllables to pronounce it. Life is like this, you know. Every day you get up on 99 name. But yet still you are cuss. Dr. Love. For dep on your name every day. Find something to do no. Find something to do no. Every day you get up and you dep on my name. Every minute you come out you say you're done with me and you're not talking about me, but you have to come back to me. And wait. Then you do the same thing you do. Every day you dep on 99 name and when 99 not see you, 99 not call your name.
You know, over there with no non-emancipated people them. I listen to no hypocrisy and no foolishness every day. You can't cuss woman about fat and belly. And 99% of our followers is big and fat. Eh? You can't cuss me about belly shape and looks. And look past some of our followers. Eh? Some of them when you come over there and talk about me, you look on them picture. If I put cookies back over their head if you walk with them. And you over there look on a gorgeous girl like me. Have you ever seen me in person? No, you have.
People, how would this attack? I know Marcia Campbell. I know Kakai, this woman them call Kakai, ever blessed. What all the name them call her? I know she this attack. So people are cuss her about belly fat and way. I don't see a Marcia this come and cuss Auntie Daniel. Oh, the whole I just drop down like one scandal bag full. And how her belly look, and how her knee full of this and full of that. So how now people are talk about you, which from day one you shouldn't come talk about Auntie Dana no time at all. Because like you care about somebody else and not care about your own. Because you get up and your name 24/7 of the day. You come when you eat like healthy food, like you feel like eating a plate of healthy food today and tomorrow, that can make you be healthy. It have to be a regular thing. You come like some man every Friday alone, them go eat 2 Dr. Fish and drink 2 Guinness and say them are going to mash up one woman you know. And tomorrow man him come tell you, boy, I deal with that wicked, you see. In mind, to him eat the 2 Dr. Fish and the 1 Guinness. You have to do that on a regular basic for that in your bloodstream and in your system. So are you this now? Big old belly and shake in front of you like a condom full of water. You understand? And you all come tell people about shape and how them heat. And now it reach your back. You have a problem with that? You shouldn't have no problem. But this is how you stay. You for talk things about people. You for discriminate. You for talk this derogative things about people. You for body shame people. You for find fault of people. And nobody must find fault of you when there is so much fault. There for you.
You cannot analyze me from Facebook or my belly bigger or me look. Because I don't know how you could have compared me to that woman. That woman have fat in her back, belly side, everywhere, broad, everywhere. And me no look not like that. And you have a damn nerve you compare me. And of course me have to tell me about body wise. Me know say me without a doubt me more attractive than her. Me not ask you. And this ain't no shade. Since I seen big friend I bring it up. And
it ain't no shade then our. It is more than shade. It's body shame and discrimination again. And which part are you more attractive? You want to know when people are attractive? You have to be natural. Them only on makeup there and big eyeglass at or whatsoever don't make you attractive. It's only when you put on your addition, you're attractive, Marcia. If you ever take off your eyeglass, come wake up one morning, smooth out your face, press, no makeup, nothing at all, just have on one normal t-shirt or something. People afraid to look for your Marcia, comparing you to 99. So how you more attractive than 99? You got to talk about she full of belly fat and she full of that. You're full of whole heap of things too. Just like how the man tell you say you're full of worm and you come to justify the worm talk where the man make the whole of it full of worm. Yes, we know the whole of it full of worm. But the excess worm where you're full of, you think you want all spoil mango. You understand? You know them blacky mango they will love have worm and maggot and eerie mango there. Yeah. But you come and you justify the ear talk, the worm talk where Dr. Love make. But no, you come and talk about fatter. You away in your belly, a slim. A slim in your belly, Marcia. Okay, and a fat. A slim and muscle in your belly. Look at you, you know. I want to come on phone and educate people. And turn a big deal and depend on phone how long. I want to can't teach about nothing. When I back way, when I go.
And I make video with me and her, I compare. She's not attractive like me. Me not ask you. No farm away. Me not ask you. Me can't walk in a spike hill, but I have the legs for it. Me have a model leg. And when me walk with my head and my shoulders back like a modeler. When me walk, head have a turn. Me no walk and stutter. Me walk like say me own the world.
Remember now, you know, my people, as she and Dr. Love in our saga, you know. And if you don't take that whole video, you and just sit down. If you don't have time for waste and listen to the video, it's all about 99. And remember, you know, as she and Dr. Love are talking, you know, she title the video. If you don't talk about me, you don't get a paycheck at the end of the month. So this video dedicated to Dr. Love. But the video is all about 99. And everybody can walk in a spike hill. You have hot gal than you. Sweet, not hot gal than you. Gal where hot, because you're not hot. As we say, your makeup clothes them and rare where you put on. You have hot gal a road, sweet gal a road. No, gal a road. Halle Berry gal, Beyonce gal a road. We can't walk in a spike hill. So where your point? And everything everybody make for do. There is so much thing you can't bake. Because if you bake, just see yourself. You understand me I say to you? So there's a lot of things that people can't do. So that no need you to come tell people about what them can do, what you can do. There is no comparison about those things. Because everybody not make for do the same thing. So when you come on social media try and make a point and get things across, you don't forget sensible things across. Because you a social media influencer, you a social media personality. You don't forget sensible things across where people can get something from. You can teach people something. We all agree on everything people agree with you about. But at the same time, if you talk crap, nonsense, not if your own supporters go and agree with you, them just go and share this pretty face and want to smile reach way around you so. But at the same time, them know you talk crap. But them just give a kick their boots there to make you feel good. Just as me say, this video have 2 hours away from one day, which is 24 hours, 2,300 views. And you only have just 87 likes. What you want no more than this say a foolish say attack.
My makeup, me I tell you said, when me not have nothing head of it turn, me we have one piece of old frack and me go to the road and people still call to me said we don't come compare me.
Marcia, you're full of yourself that you're full of your own self. One, you now just put on a piece of old frack and go to the road. You have to draw for you how much makeup and put on, and you how much like cheap clothes them and put on, and fanciness and put on, and ears ring and you cock glass them, big like goggles like he's a deep sea diver. You understand? Like he's a marine specialist. You understand? Like he's a marine biologist. You go out there and you big old glass them. You understand? You now put on a little piece of clothes and go to the road and people are call to you. If you can't in your fandangles, and we not hear nobody a call to you when you go on the road. I want a piece of old clothes you put on and people call to you. I'm gonna tell you that road I wanna hear nobody. The whole cruise, the whole holiday at Jamaica, the whole this, the whole that, where you say we don't hear nobody run up to you. And that's the reason why you have to run into the cricketer. Because the whole tour and sitting where you go on, nobody not into you like that, no excitement about seeing you. So you have to find something to post on your page for the whole, you know? And then now, you end up with find a fake man. Not really a fake man, but the wrong person. Because the man never tell the same name, O'Shane Thomas. Alright. But yet still, when you see Danagar Road, if Danagar Road 10 times for the day, if I ever want somebody for the 10th time, I have to call to her, not Auntie Dana. So if I ever 10 somebody that for the 10th time, one a trip, nobody not call for you to you all the whole month, nobody not call to you. We never hear that yet. And that's why you have to always have your phone up in your face and show yourself. You can't show the wire around and show nobody around you and show where you're there.
Me not ask you know.
But you not show the man, you show a foot. I can't allow man, you give like $100, you know, like a cokehead, you know. You give $100 come lie down in your bed, you know. For show a foot over, you know.
How you guys doing? I have a magnifying glass. How you people doing this morning? Me just come for just, you know, just a fear and name bring views according to the whole society out of social media. And me not see that. So if you think they share
or if you see that and your eye caca look somewhere else, you're not gonna see that. You're gonna say, why am I call your name? Because you're the relevant person out here. And then you go back and you're gonna say, oh, you know I call fear name? Fear name. A fear name being views. Oh, you know I call fear name. You understand?
one, why is it that you don't keep on call her name and share her videos? Share her videos. You share her videos. If you and her a big friend, all of you know, share her videos them from YouTube and Facebook and put it on the page if you don't want to make contents.
You know why she has said this? If you don't have a big friend, share her video. Because she know the stipulation we are going now. That can't go on again. That was back then. So she come now and try to say, proof say you're not a big friend. Share her video them now. Share her video them now. It's not like the man share your video. The man come and him do him for do and him do him for do and him come off him phone and him gone. Unlike you, we just depend on the woman name day in day out. You understand?
O'Neil. Lashes. Did you see when she went downtown to buy 2 mackerel and banana and 2 pound of white flour and come back? Did you see when she was driving and she put her hands on the steering wheel going down Marcus Garvey Drive? Why you not follow my car? Did you see when she go down to the hotel to meet with Miss Birdie Bun?
So why you don't follow back at Tina Chin and Lorraine alone 99 name alone? You have to do the same thing, man. And Sophia, follow back at Sophia and Low 99. And Sophia never shall call.
Hollywood star. I want no God. Talk about her, wanna call me name.
Bonnie?
If you want to make money for your page and me well 80 and nobody now come. Why don't you talk about her? Me don't get it. Me don't get it. People, I don't get it.
Ask yourself the same question. Why you have to talk about her? So flip the script and ask yourself the question. So if him and her are so much a good friend and Ray, and baby and him boss as well, you say, oh, I'm not talk about she. So why me if you talk about she? Stop talk about her then. You jackass, yo.
Fine. Put me up to them people who not cuss me for. Them can't look like me no day at all. Not even when me not be for 10 blood clot days.
Mama, you carry your looks go to supermarket. Carry your looks go buy a airline ticket. You understand? Because every day you get up is about your looks and dress and crab leg and lobster and this and that you live final life. So you not live forget all where you reach all 170, 80 year old, where you make your preparation, where you can kick back in your own home and relax. And you look a pension and probably you rent out all like a 1 room to somebody where you can live off of. It's just about crab leg. So you're just thinking about today. You're not thinking about a couple years from now when you can't afford for work. And you retire fully. When your belly hang over and touch your toe. Okay.
It's a dark world out here. Them don't want nobody to make no money.
I just know you know some money can make out of social media. All these years when they're on your Facebook platform, when there is so much incentive on Facebook and you continue to be the same person you is, more push a cloth, wash a cloth, and all kind of cloth. Not even Pink's fabric. No sell so much cloth where you cut. Where you can't get no odds on them something there. You never know some money could have make. So you should have conduct yourself a little better than that. But no, too, you see 99 and make money. How much people come now after you make money? It's a problem. And you see it? This is definitely the problem. I don't like the people that don't want to make the money. I want jealous of the people that come after you and make money. So don't flip the script.
And how your status is. Because remember, some of them are big name too, but them not carry no weight.
Not just like you, you're a big weight, you're not carrying no weight. You understand? So 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other, you that big platform all long, big deal, you're not carrying no weight. That's why you try go on like, you know, somebody else a problem to you.
And that is what I bond them. Them the like for know some name up in the up in the Facebook, and I make good comment because that's them jealous. That's what it is. Jealous.
Talking about yourself, boy. You not bad, you know? Not even World War II no bad like I know.
Honey, me have to de-stress myself.
Sharon Walters wanted to see in a comment or go on with yourself. And did you get any fixing?
It's so childish.
She get her fixing yesterday. With the people, them man, Sharon.
Erica said the same thing the other day. Erica said the same thing that I came on my page and when meetings, when she attack. And of course, after my son, she attack about too. What you mean, say, every time because the woman come and drop her word, meetings, say, my son, she attack about. It's not the first time she drop word for my son, and then the time that she Erica never have nothing. Me never hear she drop word for Tina's son. Me don't know if Tina have no son. Me always hear Tina talk about daughter. So she can't drop word for Tina's son. Because I remember me hear Tina talk about no son. But me know say. Yes, before me get fixed, got me say that somebody there.
People, you saw them lie and wicked. You and Tina Chin is close allied. And you don't know if Tina Chin have no son. You never hear Tina Chin talk about no son. Only daughter. And every day, me will just come in a phone, hear them talk about Tina Chin's son. Oh, Tina Chin's son must sit down round a corner. They saw someone must in a Bronx or whatsoever, a phone shop. Oh, Tina Chin this, son this, Tina Chin son that. And you, Marcia, can be big deal. We are senior in a phone. I lie to Tina Chin. You don't know say Tina Chin have a son. So basically, on a Tina Chin son she attack, you want to take it up on your head. And Erica son she attack because she attack this long time before she and Erica have nothing at all. So basically, you take ownership of the word with 99 drop. You so understand? Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember, hit the thumbs up button and give me a like on the video. And please to watch the ad. And remember, me now stop said, if you have not yet subscribed to the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, please go over there and give me a subscription. Thank you. Help the channel to grow. Life is a Mission TV. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.